Most people recognize baking soda as a baking ingredient or a fridge deodorizer, but few understand the real power hiding in this tiny box. Despite costing just pennies, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, may be one of the most underrated health tools sitting in your kitchen today. In this video, we'll uncover the surprising health benefits of baking soda that most people aren't aware of. I'll also cover essential safety tips and explain who should use it with caution. If you're serious about your health and want to make smart, informed decisions, you won't want to miss this. Let's begin with one of its lesser-known roles: supporting natural detoxification. When mixed with water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that can help neutralize acidic environments, both internally and on the skin. Many people use baking soda baths to ease skin irritation, relieve itching, and reduce minor rashes. The idea is that soaking in an alkaline bath helps draw out impurities and restore balance, leaving your skin refreshed and soothed. Internally, baking soda may also support detox by helping to reduce acid buildup in the body. While your body naturally maintains a tight pH balance, some studies suggest that baking soda supplementation may help in certain medical situations. For instance, a study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate helped slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acidity in the blood. That's no small benefit. However, moderation is crucial. Overuse can lead to side effects such as bloating, elevated sodium levels, or disruptions in digestion. Used responsibly, baking soda can be a gentle way to support your body's natural cleansing systems. Next up, oral health and teeth whitening. Baking soda has long been a favorite ingredient in toothpaste, and for good reason. It acts as a mild abrasive, scrubbing away surface stains from coffee, tea, and food without the harshness of chemical whiteners. The result? A brighter, cleaner smile. But there's more. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize acids in your mouth that can cause tooth decay, bad breath, and gum disease. This pH balancing effect creates an environment that's less friendly to harmful bacteria. Research backs this up. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed that toothpastes containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than those without it. Another study found that baking soda reduced levels of harmful oral bacteria. Still, it's important to be gentle. Overuse or aggressive brushing can wear down enamel. Experts recommend using baking soda just a few times per week with a soft bristled toothbrush for best results. Next, easing heartburn naturally. Heartburn affects millions, often triggered by rich or spicy meals, digestive disorders, or even pregnancy. While medications exist, baking soda offers a simple, quick-acting alternative. Just dissolve a teaspoon in a glass of water and sip slowly. Its alkalinity helps neutralize stomach acid and ease that burning sensation in the chest and throat. The medical community recognizes sodium bicarbonate as an effective antacid. According to gastroenterology and hepatology, it provides fast relief from occasional heartburn. No prescription needed. This easy remedy continues to be a go-to for many households, offering rapid relief using a common pantry item. Let's continue with one of the most common and persistent skin issues: fungal infections. Baking soda has natural antifungal properties that can help reduce or eliminate conditions like athlete's foot, ringworm, and other fungal skin irritations. These infections thrive in warm, damp areas, such as the feet, underarms, or groin, and can be incredibly stubborn. Baking soda works by creating an alkaline environment on the skin, which disrupts the ability of fungi to grow and spread. A notable study published in Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution inhibited the growth of 80% of fungal strains tested. That's a powerful result for such a simple ingredient. You can use baking soda by mixing it with water to form a paste and applying it directly to affected areas, or by adding it to a warm foot bath. It's gentle, non-toxic, and a natural alternative for those who prefer to avoid chemical-laden antifungal creams. Next, let's talk about urinary tract infections, UTIs, a problem that affects millions, especially women. UTIs cause symptoms like burning, frequent urination, and pelvic discomfort. While antibiotics are often required, baking soda can offer additional natural support. When taken with water in small amounts, Baking soda may help neutralize acidic urine, easing the burning sensation and making the bladder environment less hospitable to harmful bacteria. A small clinical study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology showed that women with recurring UTIs who use sodium bicarbonate as a supplement experienced noticeable symptom relief, including less burning and discomfort. Of course, baking soda isn't a replacement for antibiotics or medical care, especially in severe cases. But when used wisely and with a doctor's guidance, it can offer valuable support to your urinary system. Next on the list, canker sores, those small but incredibly painful ulcers that pop up inside your mouth. These sores are often caused by stress, minor injuries like biting the inside of your cheek, or even certain acidic foods. Baking soda helps here in two important ways. It neutralizes acids in the mouth, and it acts as a mild antiseptic to prevent further irritation and bacterial growth. A simple mouth rinse made from half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water can bring real relief. It helps reduce inflammation, ease the pain, and speed healing. This is supported by research in the Journal of the American Dental Association, which showed that baking soda mouth rinses significantly improved recovery from painful mouth ulcers. And unlike some over-the-counter treatments that sting or cause dryness, baking soda is gentle and suitable for regular use, especially helpful for those with sensitive mouths or recurring ulcers. Exercise enhancement. Yes, this simple white powder is a secret weapon used by athletes around the world. During high-intensity workouts, like sprinting, cycling, or weight training, your muscles produce lactic acid, which builds up and causes that burning sensation that forces you to stop. Baking soda acts as a natural buffer by neutralizing this acid, helping delay fatigue and extend performance. A large meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirmed that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can significantly improve performance during short-duration, high-intensity activities. Athletes who took baking soda were able to push harder and recover faster. The typical method? Mix about half to 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before your workout. However, start small. Too much can cause bloating or nausea, especially on an empty stomach. Now let's shift to something more serious. Chronic kidney disease, CKD. In CKD, the kidneys struggle to remove acid from the blood, resulting in metabolic acidosis. This accelerates the decline in kidney function and worsens overall health. Baking soda helps by neutralizing excess acid, which reduces the burden on the kidneys and helps maintain balance in the blood. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that CKD patients who took sodium bicarbonate supplements experienced a slower progression of kidney damage. Some even avoided the need for dialysis. However, this is not a DIY solution. Anyone with kidney disease should only use baking soda under strict medical supervision, as excess sodium can cause fluid retention or hypertension. Speaking of inflammation, let's talk about arthritis. In a 2018 study from the Journal of Immunology, researchers discovered that drinking a diluted solution of baking soda calmed the immune response in both humans and animals. It appeared to promote the release of anti-inflammatory signals while reducing autoimmune activity, an important breakthrough for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. For people with joint stiffness, swelling, or discomfort, this could mean less inflammation and improved mobility. It's a low-cost option to discuss with your healthcare provider as part of a broader arthritis management plan. And finally, we come to gout, a painful form of arthritis caused by uric acid buildup in the joints. Baking soda can help here too. Its alkalizing effect may help dissolve uric acid crystals, lower overall uric acid levels in the blood, and reduce inflammation. In fact, studies in arthritis and rheumatism have shown that alkalinizing agents like baking soda can help manage and prevent gout flare-ups. A simple mix, half teaspoon of baking soda and water, sipped slowly during an episode, might bring temporary relief. But as with all remedies, especially in chronic conditions, consult your doctor before use. Important warnings. Who should use caution? While baking soda is generally safe in moderation, some groups should avoid or limit its use. People with kidney disease, it contains sodium, which may strain already compromised kidneys. Those with high blood pressure or heart conditions, Sodium intake can contribute to fluid retention and worsen hypertension. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, too much baking soda can affect electrolyte balance. People with gastrointestinal issues, it may worsen conditions like gastritis or ulcers if taken internally. Anyone with sodium sensitivity or on a low-sodium diet, always consult a doctor before using baking soda regularly. Individuals with respiratory conditions, avoid inhaling the powder, which can irritate the lungs. Baking soda can be a powerful health ally, but only when used wisely. From relieving pain, soothing infections, and aiding digestion, to possibly enhancing cancer treatment and supporting kidney health. Baking soda is far more than just a pantry item. It's a time-tested, science-backed tool for better living when used with care. Have you ever used baking soda for health or home remedies? Share your story or questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this series helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Your support helps more people discover powerful, affordable solutions hiding in plain sight. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more informed tomorrow.